In the last analysis video, we had said that on a 15-minute chart, Nifty is showing a divergence. And this is bullish divergence. So we will either get an impulsive structure or a corrective structure. This is the chart that we had discussed, that it was showing divergence. And if you get a crossover, either we get an impulsive structure or corrective structure. So if you see, this is a corrective structure. The reason is that we had discussed that if this point is touched, but this should touch in less number of candles than this has done, because if you count the candles 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this has taken more number of candles to reach this point, which means this is not an impulsive move but a corrective move. And this, if you see, this is slow, and that's why for every impulse, if we get a correct structure, one more push down is pending. That's why if you see, this low is again breached to the downside. And if you see this, after this corrective structure, we had said that one more push down can come if there is a corrective structure. And now if you see this pattern, let us try to dig it, that this, if you draw a trend line between these two, now you saw that after this trend line was broken, then it started a fresh move to the downside. Now if you go to the 5-minute on this, since there was a gap up today, for this impulse we needed a corrective structure more, but we got a gap up structure, which means this was a structure, then we got a gap up, which means this is a bullish candle. And after that, you can see slowly this low was broken. Once this low was broken, it meant that this is not an impulse, because 100% retracement is done, which means this is a corrective structure that was developing for one more push that will break this low. I hope these points are clear, because for impulse, the 100% retracement should not be done. However, if you closely see, this looks like a 3-wave down move, which means this can be just a B wave. So tomorrow we can get a up move to complete this C, and then one more push down can come again, which means that if you go to the 15-minute again, this this structure, although it's complete because one more push has been completed to downside, only thing that can be the case is that this can be just a corrective B, and one up move can come to complete this C wave, and then one more push down can come. So as of now, there can be small upside and then one more push down. This is very short term, but after this move, we will get some upside. So if you get a trend line breakout after this, then try to take that, and let me show you what sort of look it will have. You can see once it is moving down, if you get a strong move like this, and then you can enter this setup to capture this upside. So like this sort of movement we can again capture here. Now this is Nifty. Now let us look at what is Bank Nifty doing. So let me go to the Bank Nifty chart. Now Bank Nifty, clearly if you see, like Nifty, it is falling like this, and after that you can see you got a slow move. Whenever trend line breakout happens with slow move, it is understood that this is not an impulse but a corrective structure, which means this is again one more push to down can be pending in this, that will break this. However, after this, since this is also an impulsive move, we can again plan one move to the top if we get a breakout of this trend line. Let me remove it. As of now, this was the one trend line for us. This trend line breakout came correctively. So if you get one more push down for like this, so you will connect these two trend lines, and then once you get a break of this trend line, you can buy these dips for this move. And if you similarly look at other components of Bank Nifty, like let me go to the ICICI Bank, you can see ICICI Bank is also giving same structure, like this break of trend line, then followed by this corrective pattern. This corrective pattern, let us see clearly. So you can see this as of now is a running flat because this is a fast move, this followed by a slow corrective move, and then this is a C wave. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. And after that, you can get, if this trend line goes, then this down move can come. And if suppose this down move does not come and it goes like this, then also you should not buy this, because if you see this is going very slow, and we should get a fast move if it is an impulse. So suppose it clears this and then it gives a correction, then you should enter. However, as of now, this is very slow and you should look for down move rather than up move. I hope this is clear, and if this delivers value, please consider subscribing. And if you have any doubts, please post them on comment.